Good morning, children. Hope that you all are fine. And today we are going to learn about articles. So, before going to start today's class, what do we discussed in our previous class? We have discussed about vowels and consonants. Hope that everyone remember it. So, let us start our class with articles. So, what are the articles? Can you guess, children? The articles are of two types or divided in two parts, that is a or an or the, the. Do you have any idea that where do we use this a or an and the? We use the word a before consonants. All these three things, that is a and the, we use before nouns. But the nouns begins either with a vowel or with a consonant. So here the words which begin with consonants, for a singular noun we use the word a. Here you can see that usage of a. Where do we use that? A is used before nouns. The word usually begins with consonants. For the things which begins with the consonants, we use the word a. What are the words? For example, a consonant a, boy, because B is a consonant. Car, C is a consonant, a, car. A, doll, is also a consonant. It's not that only for B, C and D. We can write number of examples for these 21 consonants. As you all aware that we have 21 consonants now. Just now we have learned about a. Now we are going to learn about an. So at what places we are going to use the word an? What we have learned for a, we are going to use the words which are beginning with consonants for any particular, for any noun, for a singular noun. Now whereas coming to an, an. This is also same as a, but there is a slight change that we use these words which begins with vowels. Here, usage of an. Where we are using this? This we are using before nouns. The words begin with vowels. So vowels, as everyone knows, the vowels are 5 in number. They are A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. So let us see some examples based on these vowels or the usage of an. Here I have given only one example based on this a and an, but whereas you need to write in your book at least 3 examples based on each, so that for your better understanding. So here, an aeroplane, an aeroplane, an egg, an egg, an ice cream, an ice cream, an orange, an orange, an umbrella, an umbrella. So here you can see that we use the word an before these letters. That is A, E, I, O, U. Before these words we used an. So what are those vowels? You can see those are in capital letters at the starting, that is A, E, I, O, U. So there we use the word an. Now let us learn the use of the. Where do we use the word the? The usage of the. The is used to refer a particular noun. If you are particularly talking about a specific noun, there we use word the. A or an, you are talking about an unknown object or an unknown noun. Here we are specifying that the object is same. There we use the word the. Here in our previous class we have learned just letters. From A to Z, they were singular. A, B, C, they were single letters. But whereas here we made a word like an, the, by using those letters. So let us learn in our next class about how to make a group of words by using these letters. A group of letters will make the words. Hope that everyone understood today's class. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.